Alright guys, we're in Costa Rica with my wife ahead. We're gonna go down to 500 staircase down to this La Fortuna waterfall. And once we get there, you're gonna see how beautiful that is. And that's the sound of the zipliners. Stay tuned. Yep. Right there. Stay tuned. It's a spot to sit down if you guys are tired, as it can be tiring. Almost there. Nothing but rainforest. Welcome to Costa Rica.
Texas in a few, I'm sure.
Yep. You got it.
Here we go. The walks are getting steeper, and we're close to the waterfall. And here we go. And here we are. Well, I vlog வந்திருக்காங்க. Fortuna waterfall, guys. All right, here we are. Pura vida. Fortuna. All right, and that's what the cabins look like. We got our little troublemaker following us. And we're about to go on a walk. These are the private cabins, guys. It's about $90 to stay. And here's the beautiful rainforest walkway to the coconuts, guys. The coconuts. Coconuts. This is a young papaya tree. The flower from the papaya. And this is another Costa Rican flower. Stay tuned for more, guys. Here we go. We're gonna go down here.